Okay, so we're about halfway through our bowl of peas. How do we feel about them? Ready? What's that face? You don't like them? Here. Okay. Here you go. They're that bad? Are they that bad? Okay, try it again. Here we go. Ooh, yes, fun. Here. It's still peas, Jonah. Oh. Oh. Here you go. Are you getting mad? You don't like them? Oh! Well, excuse you. Well, excuse you. Okay, one more bite. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Come on. No? Okay. We don't like peas. We like fingers instead.